Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can buy Defi factory token or DEFT on Uniswap with MetaMask wallet, right? It's really easy. And the first step, if you don't have MetaMask, you need to just write on Google MetaMask wallet or MetaMask Chrome extension and add MetaMask wallet Chrome extension on Google Chrome, right? And then you just need to set up 12 word recovery phrase and you're good to go. You can use MetaMask wallet. And the next step, what you need to do here, you need to get Ethereum on MetaMask. And the best way for you to get Ethereum is on Binance, because Binance has the lowest fees. And on top of that, if you use my link in the description below, also you will get bonuses on your trading fees. So if you have an account, just log in, and if you don't have it, register through me, and then you should see similar dashboard like here. And then you need to press buy crypto, select fiat currency that you want to use. There is euros, USD, and every possible currency that you can use. And then select the payment method. You can select bank deposit, credit, debit card, P2P trading, cash balance, third party payment. I like to use credit or debit card. And then you need to have some Ethereum, so select Ethereum here. Put amount, minimum is 15 euros, as you can see here. And then complete the payment. And once you have Ethereum on Binance wallet, go on wallet, fiat and spot, write Ethereum here, and Ethereum will pop up here. Press withdraw, and then go on MetaMask Chrome extension, copy the wallet address here, paste it here, put amount that you select the network, put amount that you want to transfer. For example, minimum is here, and press withdraw. All right. And once you, because I don't have enough efficient funds here, it will be withdraw button, and then Ethereum will appear here, and then you need to go on Uniswap, press use Uniswap, and if you're getting some sort of error pressing this button, make sure you are on Ethereum mainnet, and then no problems will occur. And once you're on Uniswap, then you need to select token, go back on CoinMarketCap, look for Defi factory token, copy the contract ID here, paste it on Uniswap, import, and now you can buy Defi factory token with Ethereum on Uniswap. Alright, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.